Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an amazing feature, how to turn web pages into quizzes on Bing Chat. So, let's jump right into it. We all know that multiple choice quizzes and flashcards can be incredibly helpful for studying, but creating them from web content can be quite time consuming. That is where Bing Chat comes in. It streamlines the process by allowing you to easily turn notes, web resources, or book chapters into interactive quizzes. Keep in mind, though, that Bing's quiz generation can be a bit unpredictable. Sometimes it presents all questions and answers in one go, while other times it initiates an interactive quiz. For the latter format, you can try asking, "Quiz me with multiple choices based on this page only," followed by the web address you want to use. That's it. This feature is especially handy for transforming online content into engaging study materials. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.